Congratulations! Katniss and Peeta from District 12 have won the Hunger Games!
We won the Hunger Games!
Yeah.
We won the Hunger Games! We won the Hunger Games!
Oh, but there's a new revelation. Now it says only one contestant can win the Hunger Games.
Do I?
Dun dun dun.
What?
If only one of us survives, Katniss, I want it to be you. Kill me.
But Peeta, I don't want to kill you.
But you have to, Katniss. You have. OMG. Why'd you do that?
What? You told me to.
Didn't mean it literally.
Oops. Okay.
Congratulations, Katniss, you have won the Hunger Games!